Good morning, everybody. Saturday, February 6, 2021. Welcome to all of you. Yes, a very painful day yesterday. Yeah, I had a lot of people messaging me. Rosie, are you okay? We saw your community post yesterday with the U-Haul in it. I'll tell you, it was a heck of a day. And I'm going to think long and hard before I go down this path again of one thing leads to another, leads to another. As I mentioned last week, I had agreed to help somebody move a lot of stuff from a house to an apartment. And I moved small stuff, boxes of books and things like that. And then I was asked, would I come back and give a hand moving a couch? I'm a nice person. I'll sort of give you a hand. Well, I get over there and I see a U-Haul truck parked outside, and the next thing I know, I go inside, and not only is there a sofa to move, there are two sofas to move, and they are some really heavy sofas. And in addition, a three-piece sectional, big thing for a big. I don't even know how this thing would fit into an apartment. And then a huge monster size, really heavy. I don't know what this was made out of, cast iron or whatever. A big table and a refrigerator freezer. Thank God it wasn't a full size when it was one of the smaller, like Magic Chef or something like that. It was about 2.5 feet wide or so by about 5 feet tall. Okay, but it still weighed a lot. Well, it ended up being a long day, took up a lot of my time yesterday. Man, I am feeling it today. It's really hard when you've kind of committed yourself to doing something like that to kind of back out. I mean, when the truck's already secured, the local in-town rental truck, you can't really just say, oh, I don't know if I can do this. Rosie ain't no spring chicken, man, but we had those. What I should have taken was a picture inside of the truck when we put a sofa on the bottom and then loaded up the sectional pieces on top, got the other sofa wedged into the side, even had to move a queen size mattress, and not a mattress that had handles on it either. Man, what a struggle yesterday. So I'm going to be kind of taking it easy today. I'll probably be working in the shop, maybe doing a little electronics project or something like that, because I tell you, I am spent today. My muscles, I can barely lift up my arms here. Yeah, I'm happy I did a good deed and helped out. But next week I've got to help put some flooring down at the boss's house, and I'll tell you, after this, that will be a dream job to do that. So I'm okay. I'm just gonna rest, do a little R&R and recuperating. I'll tell you, I felt like my knees were going to literally explode yesterday by about 7 p.m. last night. I was spent. I was out, just stretched out in the back here, just like passed out. 10 o'clock. I'm in bed up at 6:30 this morning and just kind of creeping around, just trying to get my knees back. Anyway, happy Saturday to you. Of course, we have the big game tomorrow. I'm looking forward to going over the Boston Giants. In the meantime, I may or may not be live tonight. I'm not sure. Remains to be seen. But in the meantime, do have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, everybody.